doctor thing I play.
You want to play doctor?
Yeah.
You want to be a doctor?
Yeah.
Okay, Amaan wants to play with the dolls, pretend doctor play. And today we have a hospital. Okay, Amaan, ready to play? Oh, she's hurt. She's hurt. Oh, she need a doctor. Oh my God, she's hurt. What do we do now? Wee you. Call the doctor. Wee you.
Hello, doctor.
Here's the ambulance. Wee you. Oh my God, my baby hurt. Wee you. Here's the hospital. Oh my God, Doctor Amaan, my dolly hurt. Oh my God, check her please. Check her, my dolly. Doctor. Okay, let's. Oh my God, dolly hurt. Oh, where dolly hurt. Check her please. What happened to her?
She's one, and she's fall down.
Yes, she fall down. It's very dangerous to cross the road, so be careful. Be careful when crossing the road.
That's made cornered.
Yeah. Okay, let's check the baby. What happened to the baby?
The bread is done.
Oh my God, she's hurt. Her leg is hurt. Oh, check her, please. Okay.
Corn.
Oh,
Oh,
my baby.
That baby dog, and the green goat, and that finger don't cross. That's corn.
Okay, I will teach my baby don't cross the road when it's red. The green then go. Red stop and green go. Okay, but my dolly is hurt. Oh, dolly, you will be okay. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Check. Here's the shot. Shot is ready. Give her a shot, please. And shot, please. Wow. You will be okay. Now she need a bandage.
It's away.
Okay, I will help you.
You're a nurse?
Yes, I'm your nurse.
You're a nurse, doctor?
I'm a nurse, so I will help you. So dolly, don't cry.
Let's just walk on her.
Here we go. We have a plaster. Okay, you will be okay, but you need to take rest.
And his arms.
Her arm is also hurt.
Don't cross. She does corn, the red dog, and the green goat. Don't go. That is dangerous.
Yes, it's dangerous. Okay.
That's dangerous. Yeah, the baby go, and she's hurt.
Yeah, she's hurt.
Yes.
Here you go. Take your dolly. Thank you, doctor. Next time, be careful, baby. Okay, mama. Okay, I will be careful next time. I will be careful. Bye, doctor. Thank you. Next patient.
Mermaid.
Oh, yes, Mermaid.
Look, she got a strong.
Yeah, okay, let
A
me check.
dinosaur in his hand.
Oh, dinosaur bite her hand. Okay,
Yeah.
let me check. The mermaid. Where is the mermaid? Oh my God, there is the mermaid. Mermaid, what happened to you? Okay, oh my God. Oh, let me check her hand. Oh, it's hurt. It's really hurt.
One paper on the bed.
Okay, let's check her, please. First, check her. Wipe her hand. Okay, you will be okay.
Shot.
Oh, shot. Oh, no, Dolly, don't cry. You will be okay. It's okay. How I'm afraid of shot. Okay.
Oh, that's why you don't. Don't go in the water. That's that is a dinosaur plate. Don't go in the water.
Dinosaur isn't lives in that water. There is a shark in the water.
Shark?
Yes, shark. Okay, your dinosaur is living in the sea, in the water. Okay, Dolly, you don't need to go to in the water, but she can't live without water, Amaan. Then what she?
She's running.
Hmm?
Oh, she's late now.
Who is sleeping?
The dinosaur.
Dinosaur.
Yes.
Okay, dinosaur sleep now. Okay.
Bye.
Bye.
Lessons is for dear mermaid.
Okay, but I can't live without water, doctor. What can I do?
There.
Okay, you made a pool for me.
Yeah.
Okay, thank you, doctor. Thank you.
Next patient.
Next patient.
A unicorn brother.
Unicorn. Where's the unicorn?
There, unicorn brother.
Pony.
Pony?
Yes, pony. What his leg is. Let's check him.
Snake is broken.
Yeah. Okay, come on. It's coming. Hospital.
What's wrong with unicorn? When you run, your neck broken?
Yeah, I was running and I was very fast and I fall down and my leg and my neck hurt.
Let's do.
Oh, lay down, please.
Shut.
Shot. No, I don't like shot.
Come here, it's okay.
No, I don't like
Go
shot.
there.
No, I don't like. Oh, my neck hurt. Be careful. Okay, don't cry. You will be okay. Okay, close your eyes. Give him shot, please. Okay, all done.
Next one is the white.
Check his leg, please. Check his leg. Oh, be careful. No. Okay, it's okay. Check his reflexes. It's okay. Ear check.
Oh, she's got a broken neck.
Oh.
She's got a broken neck. Oh, she's got an ear in the germ.
Yes. Okay. Wipe his then wipe and give him some medicine.
Oh, I need to pluck her.
Okay.
Yeah. Germs.
Okay. Germs gone. Doctor call. You okay?
Yes.
Are you okay, man?
Yes.
Okay.
I threw the germ. I was falling.
Okay, you fall down. The germs were very heavy. Oh my god, the germs was very heavy. You fall down.
I get the small one.
Okay, check him please and wipe him. First, wipe his wound.
Yes. It's a neck.
Yes, now wipe his neck. So.
You don't go. This is red. Don't go. That's red. We need plastic.
Here is a plaster.
And neck.
Yes.
Don't wait. Go. That's. Don't go. Don't go. Pony, don't go.
Pony is all okay now. Give him medicine, some medicine. Okay, he's okay.
Bye-bye, doctor.
Bye.
Don't stay go there. Your neck
Oh.
again broken.
Okay. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you, hospital. Bye bye, hospital. No.
This one, a dolly. Its leg is broken.
Dolly. Okay. Next one, the dolly. Oh, let me check. This one.
Dolly and his arm is hurt.
Dolly's arm hurt. Let's check out.
Dad?
Okay. Oh my God. The dolly is sick now. She's bleeding. Oh my
Fall down
God.
in the stairs.
Oh, what do we do? Okay, okay, I'll help you. Come on, let's walk.
Just
No,
fall down in
I can't walk. Oh my God.
Let me hold her.
Okay, hold.
Just fall down in the stairs.
Okay. Let's take her to the hospital. Oh, doctor, help her, please. Oh my
That's
God.
your
She's my friend. Help her, doctor. Oh, don't cry. Oh, don't cry. It will be okay. I will take care of you. Okay.
She's going to fall down in the stairs.
Yes, she fall down. Let's check. Oh, her leg is
Just
hurt.
fall down in
And
the stairs.
her arm hurt. And
Just fall
yes,
down
she
in the
got.
stairs.
Oh, yeah, she fall down from stairs.
Look,
Doctor,
this one's just
help, doctor, help my dolly, help my dolly.
careful, this walk. We need to walk careful.
Yeah, okay, doctor. Next time I will be careful.
Get in there. There. Are you okay?
I will help you, doctor. Let me, doctor.
Wipe.
Okay, wipe her, please. Ouch. Be careful. Okay, you will be okay.
Don't run.
Okay, doctor, don't try. Ouch. Okay, it's okay. It's okay.
Don't cry.
You will be okay.
And your leg. Don't ouch.
Okay, don't ouch. Okay.
Don't run in the stairs.
Okay, next time don't run on the stairs. Okay, no running in stairs. Okay.
That's your friend?
Yeah, I am her friend and I love her. Oh.
It's just swamp. It's just fall down. Careful, your step. There. That is your friend.
Okay, give him some. Check her, please. Check her blood pressure. Check. Okay. Oh my God. Oh, it's low. It's very low blood pressure.
Your heart is fast.
Okay, she's faint. Okay, let's check her heartbeat, please. Heartbeat, her doctor. Here we go. Heartbeat checkup.
This is my friend too.
Okay, also your friend.
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh, this heart is fast.
Fast.
Yes.
Okay, then give him some medicine and give her a shot.
Look, we got painted. Shot.
Oh no! I don't need. I like that.
Don't
Be careful.
cry.
Be careful. Shot will help you. Give in the arm shot. Okay. All done.
Give me.
Okay, she need a bandage. Okay, I will help you. Okay, here we go.
This is hit it. On her.
Yes, and she.
And the toe.
Okay, here she go.
Mommy, help me, nurse.
Okay, I will help you. Okay.
That plastic?
Yeah, this is a plaster.
That's plastic sticker?
Yes, you dolly, you need to
Don't
take
run.
this. Don't off your plaster.
Don't run.
Okay, doctor. Here we go. Your bandage is all done.
Bye, doctor.
Okay, how can she walk? Okay, doctor.
Let me hold her.
Okay, you can hold her.
Let me give your head.
Okay.
You can walk.
Doctor, help. Okay. You go to home now. You will be okay. Okay, doctor. Bye-bye. All done. Here we go. Hey.
Next one. Next patient.
Next patient.
Next one. A sister.
Sister.
Yes.
Next patient.
The sister. The sister slow.
Hmm?
Achoo sister.
Achoo. Okay, she's got achoo.
Look,
Achoo.
you-
Achoo. I need to see a doctor. Oh my god, I'm sick. Okay, I can't walk. Okay.
Let me help you.
Okay, doctor, check me, please. What's happened to you, Dr. Dolly?
Your leg is long and you're running.
No, I was not running. I'm sick. Let's check
Look,
me.
your
Let's
leg is broken.
check me, please. I'm feeling cold. She's feeling cold. Short. Okay, you will be okay. Okay, give her medicine.
Is it okay?
You will be okay, Dolly. Okay. Okay, bye. The hospital time is off now. So, bye, guys.
Bye, guys. Bye, guys.
Bye.
I'm resident. Our patient not hurt. They're okay.
Okay, all your patients are okay. So, you take care. Bye.